Are you tired of waking up to ranking drops with no warning? Learn how to set up real-time Semrush sensor alerts in under 2 minutes. First, I'll show you where to find the sensor in Semrush. Then, we'll configure notifications and customize the data you care about. Go to your Semrush folders to take control of your data. Click on the first highlight. Click on the second highlight. Click on the third highlight. Click on Semrush Sensor. Click on Subscribe to Notifications. Click on All Categories. Select United States as your country. Choose Desktop as the device type. Click on Mobile. Click on Compare With. Select Device to compare by device type. Click on SERP Volatility for the last 30 days. Click on Low. Click on the highlight. Click on SERP Features Occurrence. Click on Featured Snippet. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.